have our John Deere 7200 16-row planter. I'm going to hopefully explain a few things that's in the description that might be a little hard to understand just by reading. This particular planter was my planter, I should say is, and it's going to be yours soon. My son's doing my farming, so I'm selling some equipment. We put the weights on here in place of the markers because we're using auto steer to steer the planter with, obviously. And this planter has originally came out with fiberglass boxes, and they were pretty itchy to bump up against. And this planter also has two drives, two transmissions. It has one on this side and one on the other side. Some of the earlier John Deere configurations, they couldn't quite figure out how they wanted to do it, and they finally ended up with this situation before they obviously went to the newer stuff. These closing wheels, not the closing wheels, but the brackets have been replaced, and not the too long of past, I should say. The fertilizer system is a 12 volt 7 gallon a minute pump, and I think I have 5 gallon a minute orifices on this. And this system is what is called a totally tubular fertilizer system, and I know that sounds kind of corny, but the fertilizer hose goes in here down the front, and we'll see if we can get a view of this, how this works. But right here is where the fertilizer comes out, and the seed comes out up here. So it kind of lays it underneath the seed. Also, this planter is equipped with the wavy coulters. Out here we're pretty much a dry land situation, and we no-till our spring crops into wheat stubble, and this opens us up a nice furrow and sure saves on the wear and tear on your discs. This also has the precision planting, or what you might know as the E-set plates, and this is basically a system that allows you to run a whole lot of vacuum, and with this double eliminator here, it gets rid of all your extra seeds so you don't have doubles, and thus called the precision plates. This is embarrassing. I'm sure none of you had this problem ever before. There we go. And also, right now in this planter is Milo plates, and with the Milo plates we have these inserts that go in there, and we also have the clear seed tubes, but this allows the Milo to travel down one side of the boot, and it makes it easier for the monitor to see. So that's why there's the other transmission like I was talking about. And also on this planter I have Trimble monitor systems, and this is a Field IQ system that allows you to read the planter off of your Trimble monitor. If you don't have that, I also have the 250 planter monitor that goes with this. And so there we have our 16-row 7200 planter, and thank you for looking.